Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys how to beat the tutorial. Alright. You have 5 minutes. Just kidding. It's really quick. Press down to duck, A to jump, and then you're gonna jump and Y. Oops. It's just again, so it's A, Y, and then you go down with A jump. And then you hold shoot and right back button. Boom. This is tricky. You gotta jump. How you do this? You gotta go jump and press down. Jump down. Boom. Jump down. And then you press B for the special, obviously. Boom. Collect the coin. Exit. Thanks for watching, guys, and this is how you beat Cuphead's tutorial. Peace.